Welcome, Barbora here. In today's video, I'm going to share with you 3 simple dance moves that you can do to bachata music. I'm going to show you how you can layer them on top of each other, so make sure to stay tuned till the end. Alright, so let's start with the first move, which is a basic step. Since this tutorial is for women, we're going to start with our right on every first count and our left on every 5th count. This is what the basic step looks like. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's start with our feet together. On 1, we're going to step with our right to the side and shift our body weight on this leg. On 2, we're going to step with our left together and again shift our body weight on this leg. On 3, we're going to step with our right to the side again and shift our body weight on this leg. And on 4, we're going to tap with our left together. When we tap, our body weight remains on the standing leg, which is our right in this case, and the heel is up. Okay, so the left heel is up. Now let's repeat the same thing to the other side. On 5, we're going to step with our left to the side, shifting our body weight on this leg. On 6, step with our left together. On 7, with our left to the side again. And on 8, we tap with our left together. And again, when we tap, our body weight remains on the standing leg, which is our left, and the right heel is up. Let's do it a few more times. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. When we take these steps, we want to make sure that our feet are hip-width apart, approximately, and also we want to keep our feet pretty close to the floor, okay? So we don't want to raise our knees too high. Let's do it a little bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Well done, and now let's do music. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's add some hips, and this is going to be our second move. In bachata, there are 2 main ways you can move your hips. The first one is the diagonal one, when we send our hips diagonally to one side and then to the other. One side and then to the other. The second move is the figure 8 hip movement that looks like this. And this is, at least from the experience with my students, a little bit easier. So we're going to focus on that in this video just to keep things simple. Before we put it together with the basic step, let's do a little exercise. We're going to have our feet hip-width apart. If you want, you can place your hands on your hips, and we're going to relax our knees. And this is very important because if you want to move your hips in dance, so not only bachata but dance in general, we need to have our knees slightly bent because this will help us isolate our hips from the rest of our body. Okay? If we kept them straight, it will be pretty much impossible to isolate them because the rest of our body would move with them. Okay? So for this reason, we want to relax them a little bit. And from here, we want to rotate our pelvis or our hips diagonally to the left and send our right hip diagonally forward. From here, bring it around to the back so that our hip is now pointing diagonally to the back. And from here, we're going to bring our hips diagonally forward to the other side and repeat the same thing, okay? So from here, we're bringing it around to the back. Now, our left hip is pointing diagonally to the back. And again, bringing it forward and to the back. 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 And keep going. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we want to make sure that our upper body remains in a neutral position, okay? So we want it to point forward. We don't want it to move along with our hips like this, okay? We want to isolate our hips from the rest of our body as much as possible and move only our hips. Let's do it one more time. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. A little bit faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Well done. And now let's put it together with the basic step. So when we step with our right to the side, we're going to send our right hip to the back, okay? So we are going to repeat the same thing that we just did with our hips. 1. And now when we step with our left together, we're going to send our left hip diagonally forward and to the back. 2. And again, our right on 3. And on 4, we're going to stay in the neutral position. In bachata, there is a hip action that we do on count 4 and 8 when we tap, but we're not going to do that in this video because I don't want to overwhelm you, okay? So for now, we're going to stay in a neutral position, and we're going to repeat the same thing to the other side. On 5, we're going to send our left hip to the left, and on 6, to the right. On 7, to the left, and on 8, when we tap, we stay in a neutral position. And again, one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and a little bit faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Last time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Well done. And now let's go with music. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Great job. Now let's add some arms. What I usually recommend my beginner students is to have their arms bent in the elbows with their forearms approximately at the waist level, okay? And from here, just move them how they feel, naturally. What most beginners struggle with when they're starting out is the coordination, okay? So putting together the feet and the arm movement. That's why I don't want to focus too much on the arms, because I don't want to overwhelm you, but also I want to give you some simple and natural looking option so that you don't look awkward with your arms hanging next to your body like this, okay? So have them bent in the elbows with your forearms at the waist level, and just do the basic step with the hips. And your arms will most likely move naturally, okay? They will want to move. And if you want to emphasize it a little bit, what you can do is send your opposite arm forward, okay? So when you step with your right to the side, you're going to send your left arm forward. And then you switch. And then you switch. And when you tap, your arms will stay in the same position. And from here, again, when you go to the other side, you switch. And switch. And switch. And when you tap, your arms stay in the same position, okay? So it's the same thing as when you walk. When you walk and you step with your right foot forward, your left arm goes forward as well, and then you switch. And this is something that happens, you know, naturally. In bachata, it's the same thing. So let's do it a few more times. You can choose to do this movement or not. Just have your arms in this position. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 7, 8. Well done, that was all for this class. If you want to see more content like this, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel. In the meantime, you can check out this video where we go more in depth on how to move your hips in bachata, or you can check out my playlist over here, Bachata for Beginners.